Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the previous year numericals from the class 10th science chapter electricity. So these are the numericals based on the series and parallel resistance. So these numerical is based on these two concepts, that in series the net resistance is sum total of all the resistance, whereas in parallel it is a reciprocal and then sum total of all the resistance. So we will calculate the equivalent resistance in the first case here. So first of all we have to identify that these resistance are connected in series or in parallel. Now just for example, in 3 and 7 only one end is connected with each other, which means these two are in series with each other. So just adding in series R1 and R2, that is 3 plus 7 will become 10. Now this 10 ohm resistance will be in parallel with this 10 ohm because the end point of these two will be this and this, and both are connected to 10 ohm, which means now these and this both are in parallel to each other. So for parallel we take 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10, LCM will be 10, so it will be 2 by 10 will become 1 by 5. So now the resistance will become 5 ohm. The major mistake student just do in this question is that they write resistance is equal to 1 upon 5, whereas 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 5, so R is equal to 5 here. So now all the three, this 5 and the equivalent resistance of this part is also 5 and this 5, all three are in series with each other. So now the net resistance will be 5 ohm plus 5 ohm plus 5 ohm. Answer comes out to be 15 ohm. So the important thing in this question is to just identify that resistance are in series or in parallel. Now the next question where we have to find out the equivalent resistance between the point AB. So here these 20 ohms are in parallel with each other and then it is series with this 10 ohm. So first of all we will solve this parallel. So for the parallel we write down 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 20, LCM will be 20. It will be 2 by 20, 1 plus 1, 2 here. So answer comes out to be 1 by 10. Now again resistance will become 10 ohm. The equivalent resistance for this part will be 10 ohm, which is in series with this 10. So in between AB, the net resistance will become 20 ohm. Now this is a previous year question where this diagram is given and you have to find out the equivalent resistance between point M and N. No values is given, only these R1, R2, R3 and R4 are given. So you can just look at here that R1 and R2 are in series with each other, whereas R3 and R4 is in parallel with each other. So first of all we will solve this R1 and R2. So for this the net resistance will be R1 plus R2 for this section, and for this section we will solve it like this: 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. So now LCM will be R3 into R4. So it will become R4 plus R3. For this section the equivalent resistance is R3 divided by R4 plus R3. R3 into R4 divided by R4 plus R3. Just reverse of this is the equivalent resistance for this part. Now this section and this section is in series with each other. So we just add these two factors here. So now it will become R1 plus R2 plus R3 by R4 divided by R4 plus R3 here. So next question is to find out the equivalent resistance in this case where all the three resistance are same. So it seems to be very difficult diagram, but if you able to see that what is the common between all these points, that this is a C point which is an end point for this resistance, which is end point for this resistance, and again end point for this resistance. Similarly this D point is end point for this, again this resistance end point here D, and for this resistance end point D here, which means all the three are in parallel to each other. Here it seems to be just like a series mixed with a parallel, but no, if you observe it properly, you able to identify that all the three are in parallel with each other. Again I am repeating, this is the first resistance, its two endpoints are C and D. Now similarly this resistance having one endpoint this, and the second endpoint you can just see here, again C. Now for this resistance, one endpoint is this and the second endpoint is this, which means the C and D is the common endpoint for all the three resistance. So I can redraw this diagram like this. C and D you can take at any point, C here or D here, or C here or D here, and rest two are A and B and D and B here. So now the net will again simple 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. The LCM will be R here, and 1 plus 1 is 3. So again net resistance will become R by 3 here. Next two examples are NCERT and previous year question also. Net resistance for this section will be simple, it is in series, so it will be 4 plus 3 ohm, answer will be 7 ohm. You have to write the unit also here. Then again 4 plus 3, but now this is in parallel here. So now LCM will be 12, 4, 3, 12, 3, 4, 12, that is 7 by 12, or net answer will be 12 by 7 ohm. Now the next question is, show how would you connect three resistors each of 6 ohm so that the combination has a net resistance of 9 and 4 ohm. Now we have a 3-6 ohm resistor here. Now just if we connect all the three in series, so then the answer will be 18, but it is less than that. Now if we connect all the three in parallel, then it become 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, that is 3 by 6, 1 by 2, or answer will be 2. So in both the cases, what we have? We want 9 ohm and 4 ohm, but in these two cases we are getting the higher or the lesser values. So now we have to rearrange these two. Now so two combination can be possible, that two are in series and one is in parallel here. So 6 ohm, 6 ohm and 6 ohm. Now just find out the net resistance here. For the series it will be 12, just like this, and the lower one will become 6. Now we will find out in parallel case 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6, LCM will be 12. So here it is 1, here it is 2, so 3 by 12, that is 1 by 4, or answer will be 4 ohm. So we can easily get 4 ohm resistance when we combine two resistance in parallel and one in series here. Now the next is to get how to get 9 ohm. So if we connect two in series, or we can say two in parallel, series we have already done. So now we connect two in parallel and then connect this in series here. So this is 6 ohm, 6 ohm and 6 ohm. So first of all we will solve this parallel part. So it will be 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, it comes to be 2 by 6, or 1 by 3, or we can say the net equivalent resistance for this parallel will be 3 ohm. Now this 3 ohm is in series with 6. So now 3 ohm plus 6 ohm. So we get the answer 9 ohm. So now the question here it is, how to connect 3 6 ohm resistor to get 9 ohm and 4 ohm. So 9 ohm we will get by just connecting 2 in parallel and 1 in series. Whereas 4 ohm will get if we connect 2 in series and that combination parallel to 1 6 ohm. For that we get 4 ohm resistor. Now again a similar type of a question but different values here. Now we have to connect 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm so that net resistance will become 4 ohm and 1 ohm. So first of all, again we are just starting by connecting them all in series. So it is 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm. So it will become 11 ohm, but we need to get 1 ohm. So if we connect all these resistance in parallel to each other, just like this, 2, 3, 6, you can take any value at any position here. So it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So just take LCM here. 2, 3, 6, 2 1 the 2, 3, 2 3 6, 3. So 6 will be the LCM here. So 2 3 6, 3 2 6, 6 1 the 6. So it will be 6 by 6, or answer will be 1 ohm. So how we get this value 1 ohm? When we connect all these three in parallel to each other. Now we need to get this 4 ohm resistor. So you can just imagine like above situation, if 2 ohm is present here and 3 and 6 in parallel to each other. So if 3 and 6 in parallel to each other, it may possible the net will come out to be 2 and 2 and 2 plus 4. So we just try directly this example here. We connect 2 in parallel, greater values in parallel, that is 3 and 6 in parallel, which is in series with 2 ohm. So for 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, again LCM is 6. So 2 plus 1, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, which means net resistance is 2, reciprocal of this. Now this 2 and 2 are in parallel to each other, so answer comes out to be 4 ohm. So these are just a probable question where you have to find out the diagram of probability, which means now one more possibility will be there. If we have connected 2 and 6 in parallel to each other and then 3 ohm, then we get the different answer. So this is a question you have to just solve it by hit and trial method, so that you can get these two values. So there are almost 2 to 3 combination which can be possible in all the cases. You try all the cases and you will get the answer, and this question comes in a category to 2 to 3 marks. Now the next question, what is the highest and the lowest resistance that can be secured by the combination of 4 coils, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, 24 ohm. So highest can be only get by just joining them in series, R2 plus R3 plus R4, that is 4 plus 8, 12, 12, 12, 24, 24 and 24, answer comes out to be 48 ohm. Now the next, how we get the lowest? When we connect all of them in parallel. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 24. So we will take first the LCM here. So 24, 12, 8, 4, 4 6 ka 24, 4 3 are 12, 4 to the 8, 4 1 the 4. Then 2 will be the LCM, 2 3 the 6. Here it will become 3. Here it will become 1. Here it is become 1. So now 3 to a 6 and 4 6 ka 24. So 24 will be the LCM here. 4 6 24, 8 3 24, 12 2 24, 24 1 24. So this will become 12 by 24. So answer comes out to be 1 by 2 ohm or 2 ohm. So resistance here is 2 ohm because 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2. So now R will become equal to 2 ohm here. So these are the numericals which are frequently asked in the board exam related to the resistance. So first way is just to find out, you must know the relation between the series and the parallel, which is just a sum total in a straight way and in a reciprocal way. And then the second type of a question where you have to just find out the equivalent combination by hit and trial method, combining in different ways and getting the different resistance. And one important fact, that highest resistance we will get when we connect all the resistance in series, and lowest will we get when we connect all them in parallel here.